Hi everyone, it's Tommy from Stitch. We've had quite a few requests to do a tutorial on how we fold our fat quarter bundles. So, we start with folding our fat quarters in half long ways and then in thirds, then fold it again long ways in half. Once you have all of your fat quarters folded, lay them out in the order you want to fold them into your bundle. I like to do a color gradient or rainbow. You're going to start with your first one, lay it out in front, and lay the second one across the first with the selvage end a little longer than the folded end. You're then going to fold the selvage end over, then the folded end over the top. Keep going with each new fat quarter laid across the previous. Thanks for watching. Please follow us on Instagram at Stitch in the Village and check out our shop at stitchinthevillage.com.